can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe in your own skin.
Hi Ma, happy 60th birthday. Ngayong araw na to sana maging maligaya ang iyong kaarawan. 60 ka na, senior ka na. Para sa tayo matanda na. Pero kahit ganito ang buhay, napaglalabanan natin kung ano mga problema dumarating sa ating dalawa. Ang mga anak natin may kanya-kanyang buhay na, may sarili-sarili pamilya na. Kaya tayong dalawa habang buhay na magkasama.
You might not see it in the movies, but you know it's real because every wrinkle tells the story of the places you have been.
Hi Ma! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! Senior ka na Ma! May discount na tayo. Mahal na mahal ka namin Ma, sobra-sobra. Maraming salamat Ma sa lahat ng sacrifice niyo po sa amin. Mula maliit kami hanggang ganito na kami, nagkaedad na kami Ma, andyan ka pa rin para sa amin. Walang katumbas Ma ang pagmamahal niyo sa amin. Kaya napakaswerte namin Ma dahil kayo po ang naging nanay namin.
Hi Ma! Happy birthday Ma! Ngayon 6 years old ka na Ma. Wala na akong hihilingin pa Ma kay Lord. Kasi lagi kang andyan Ma, simula pagkabata hanggang pagtanda namin. Huwag mo kakalimutan Ma na lagi rin kami nandyan sa tabi mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin Ma.
Countless ocean hours, forming freckles on your face. Wildflowers that will only bloom with age. Learning how to love who you are along the way. You're growing older and more beautiful each day. If you feel a little tired, it's because you've come so far, and your eyes reflect the grace you have received. Oh, you made it through the fire. It's what made you who you are. Now it shines like strands of silver, and it feels like being free. Countless ocean hours, forming freckles on your face. Wildflowers that will
Hi Ma, happy 68th birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw. Nagustuhan mo yung birthday mo. Ma, maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat. Alam mo naman yan na nandiyan ka palagi para sa akin. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay sana ay mababa ang iyong buhay Ma. Maraming salamat. I love you.
Every woman has a history, like a priceless work of art, a patina that will never fade away. You are made of love and memories, softer body, stronger heart. All the moments you've collected are what brought you here today, and you would never, ever trade those ocean hours, forming freckles on your face. Wildflowers that will only bloom with age.